come up here by myself. I've brought all my guns. I'm gonna put a couple of rounds through the Tikka T3 stainless steel fluted barrel, composite stock, hasn't done a lot of work, Leopold 3-9 scope. I brought two different types of ammo. Some flies. So I haven't shot these ones before. These are Winchester actually. Boat tail hollow point, 55 grams. Varmint and target. Bought them in Brisbane when I went down to see Al. I've got a target out there at, I don't know, maybe 40 metres or so. Oh. Little 223, little baby ones. Little baby ones, but they're still pretty awesome round. Great for dogs, small game. These little hollow points, they would do the business on small game, that's for sure. Well, I can only fit 4 in there. Now, I would normally wear muffs and plugs, but I don't know what I've done with my muffs. Maybe I took them home. Probably I took them home. But I got plugs. Happy days. So we're shooting out to that target out there. Which is no trouble. No trouble for the 223, of course, with the scope. I'll set that up over there. Hopefully the camera mic can handle the sound. Maybe I'll put it behind me actually. Let's put it over here. I'll put it behind me. I've put the dog in the car because she's just going to go stupid. So I'll do one shot, a couple of shots maybe. Nice little round, hardly any recoil. Probably a little bit of a flinch. I'm just shooting off my knee. Oh, smell of gunpowder. Love it. Let's turn the camera around. Put him this way, let's see. See if we get a flash. I don't doubt it, but we'll see. Tomorrow we'll try the 3006 and we'll definitely get a flash out of that. Or maybe tonight, we'll see. I can see the target wiggling. I don't see any bouncing off it, but I suspect I'm going straight through it. Might go for the little target actually, see if I can get that one. No, I think I missed that one, but anyway, let's go and have a look. Mum's frangipani's doing good, and Dad's ficus doing good, and Noel's African mahogany absolutely just loving it. Dug a really deep hole with the backhoe, filled it with cow manure. It's absolutely loving that spot. Oh yeah, we've got some holes here. Let's have a look what we got. So 3 nice fresh holes, hardly even wiggled the target. There's a couple of old ones there. They look like they might be 223 target holes as well. That one, no, missed that one. That was a 223 that I've hit before by the look of it. There's the exit wound. Anyway, if I put it on a mount on a rest, I might be able to hit that one. Yeah, anyway, that's probably enough annoying the neighbours for tonight. Might have another go tomorrow.